Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video, I am going to share with you what I eat in a day, how I intermittent fast, why I intermittent fast, and I'm also going to bring you guys with me to the gym. We're going to even cook together. It's going to be a lot of fun. Before I get into the meat of this video, please feel free to like this video if you're enjoying the content, subscribe to my channel if you're coming back for more, comment down below, let me know your thoughts and if you try and if you like it. And lastly, here's a little disclaimer: your girl is not a doctor, I'm not a therapist, I'm not a nutritionist, and I'm not a personal trainer. I am sharing with you my personal experience with intermittent fasting, what works for my body type after doing it for many years. We may not have the same body type, we may not have the same goals, so take my advice with a grain of salt, take what you can from it, make it your own, see if it works for you, and if it does, please let me know. If it doesn't, let me know why. I'm also very curious, and it can also help other people in the community. So share your experience down below, and then let's get this party started. All right, so where do I stand right now? Right now, I am still fasting. It is currently 11:30 a.m. I stopped eating yesterday at about 7:30 p.m. So that's about 7, 12, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's about 16 hours of fast. I can easily fast for 16 hours, no problem at all. I usually fast between 16 and 18 hours. I love to work out at the end of my fast so that it kind of pushes my body a little bit more and kind of like forces it to tap into energy that it doesn't have. And what happens when your body tap into energy it doesn't have? It kind of recycle the bad cells in your body, the cancer cells in your body, or the fat in your body into energy. And that's called autophagy. Autophagy is a state in which you get when you are fasting between 18 and 24 hours. Depends on your metabolism, depends on how you fast, depends on your lifestyle and all that. So by working out towards the end of my fast, I am trying to accelerate the autophagy phase of my fasting so that my body can tap into its own fuel and recycle all of the bad cells and some of my fat. Eventually, the goal is to not just lose weight, but when you're losing weight, you really want to get to that autophagy state, but also to kind of cleanse my body from all the bad cells that it doesn't need, to stop any cancer from developing even more, autoimmune disease, whatever disease you have. By reaching that autophagy state of fasting, you are helping your body heal itself, pretty much. Now, it's not easy, it's hard. It's like the end of your fast, and you have to reach a point where you're able to fast easily 16 to 18 hours without struggling too much. And that's pretty hard. It takes a while to get there. So if you're starting intermittent fasting from scratch, first thing I tell you to do is stop eating about 3 hours before bedtime. Sleep for 8 hours, which means maybe go to bed a little bit earlier, maybe around 10:30 p.m., 11 p.m., you know. And then by the time you wake up in the morning, let's say you wake up at 6:30 a.m., more than likely you would already have a 12-hour fast. If you can push your breakfast to like 9 or 10:30, you're at a 15 to 16-hour fast already. Okay, so those last few hours in the morning are more than likely going to be the hardest, but this is when you're pushing yourself. This is when I choose to go to the gym. Right now, we're gonna go to the gym. I'm taking you with me. I'm gonna grab my camera upstairs, who should be charged 100%. I'm gonna film my workout as much as I can. You guys, when I work out, it's it's like a sacred time for me. It's like a divine time for me. Some people pray in church. I'm at the gym. That's my temple. I will do my best to film myself while I'm working out. Once I'm done workout, we're gonna get back home and we'll see if I feel hungry. I will eat some food. If not, I will go on with my day until my body tells me, girlfriend, fuel me now. Alright, my loves, I'm all set and done with my workout. Whew. Now it's time to go home, take a shower, and eventually eat something. Right now, I do not feel hungry. I feel very energized, and I could be doing more, but it's already 1 p.m. and I really need to go and do what I need to do before I have to pick up Bella from school. So, alright, my loves, I am back home. I am going to take a shower, do my hair. This should take me about an hour. It is currently 2 p.m. and I haven't break my fast yet. How do I feel? Pretty energized. I don't... right now I'm still burning from the gym. Like I can still feel my body like burning. But you know, I'm not feeling like low in energy. I'm feeling pretty energized. I'm not starving. I'm a little hungry, but I'm not like, oh my gosh, my stomach is growling, I need to eat now. Not at all. I said I have pretty good energy already. No brain fog, although it looks like I do, but no, that's just me being in my natural state. But I think that within the next hour, usually within the next hour after working out, I start feeling really hungry. So I'm gonna go take my shower, get ready for the day, get ready to shoot a little video, and then I will go and eat something. Okay. All right, here is my pretty plate. Okay, so what do we have on my plate? I have my eggs, well, my egg, because it's only one, which is gonna give me protein and the healthy fat. I have 2 little slices of cheese. I'm probably gonna have 2 more. 1 slice of bread that I cut in 2, my little salad, and my Brussels sprouts and mushroom, as well as my tea that is right there. Now it is 3:45, you guys. Let's say it's 3:30 because I want to round it up. So I'm officially breaking my fast at 3:30 p.m. 12 plus 8, that's a 20-hour fast, roughly. I could have pushed it a lot more because I don't, like again, I'm not starving right now. And that looks like a lot of food on my plate. We'll see if I eat everything. I'll show you what I eat and what I don't eat if I don't finish it. But yeah, I'm gonna start eating, watch a little video while I eat, and I'll catch you up later. All right, my loves, I'm all said and done eating my food. Let me show you what I left over. I pretty much ate everything but this little bit here because I feel satiated right now. I don't feel like I need to eat more, and I want dessert. I want something sweet. Your girl has a sweet tooth and I want to end with something sweet. Fortunately, yesterday I got some raspberries that are right here. So here's what we're having for dessert. One of Ella's little snacks, and then a few raspberry. I'm gonna try my best not to eat the whole thing, but I can barely control myself with raspberries, so I can't promise that I'm not gonna eat the whole thing. All right, 5 minutes later, I am done with my meal. This is what's left of the raspberries. I'm keeping the rest for tomorrow. I'm being a good girl. Hey, my loves. Okay. All right, so Ella is having dinner downstairs. It is almost 8. It's 7:45. So she's going to be going to bed very soon. I am not hungry at all, so I'm not going to eat. But I'm gonna have to go to bed early tonight, because if I don't, first of all, I will be exhausted tomorrow. Today I worked out and my body needs to recover, so I really need to rest tonight if I want to be good tomorrow, physically and mentally. So I'm going to bed. I'm trying to go to bed for 10:30 p.m. I'm not very optimistic about that one, but let's try. It's a little early for me, let's put it this way. Going to bed early for 2 reasons. The first one, like I just said, I need my body to rest and my mind to rest so that I'm good tomorrow. But also, the longer I stay up, the more I will get hungry, and the more I'll be tempted to eat. So, I'd rather cut it short real fast, sleep, recover, wake up tomorrow morning, and maybe have breakfast, because I stopped fasting so early. Maybe I can break my fast at around, I don't know, 10 or 11 a.m., which would be a nice little breakfast, and have a second meal maybe at around 4 p.m., because I know that's the time around which I start to get a little hungry. So between 4 and 5, eat a little something and call it a night and start my fast there, and then start the next day again. Voila, this is pretty much the plan. And that's the day I wanted to film originally, the one with the 2 meal and the fast, and maybe the workout would have been nice. But today ended up being a OMAD day, a 1 meal a day. And those are part of intermittent fasting too. You don't always do them, but sometimes they happen and it's great. And you just roll with it. And you, the next day, adapt to the hours that you need. And that's what I like so much about this technique, method, I don't know how you call it, of intermittent fasting, is that you can really adjust it to your needs and to your schedule. Anyways, you know what? I think that's it for this video. I think I said everything I wanted to say. It didn't go as planned, but it's not bad either. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're still there, thank you so much for watching that long. I love you guys. Don't forget to comment down below your thoughts, your experience. I would love to know. Sorry for the airplane. And then voila, I will see you guys next week with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, c'est la vie.